Okay.
তুমি বিসমিল্লাহ করো।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Amina Hasan, and welcome to the grand opening ceremony of three special smart software solutions brought by Daffodil Software Limited. And our today's event is brought to you by Virtual Gate. Before we start, let's see a short intro video. Thank you.
There was a time when setting up an organization was enough to think forward. But today, we are living in a time where everything is expected to be excellent and our performance is expected to be exceptionally well. We all are going through a time of change. We are now experiencing a new normal, and very soon we are going to shift to the next normal. Everything in this situation is fueled by digitization. The way we worked before is no longer the same now. The skills we looked for are no longer the requirements from the organizations. Everything will be dramatically changed over time. So, in this situation, if we can't change ourselves, if we can't transform our systems now, how will we survive? Shall we go forward? Or will we think in the reverse? Shall we go with the trends of the most transformational time of human history? Shall we drive the change, or do we want to be driven by it? We have to act on data and we have to act with technology, and you have to realize why you should change. So let's lead the change, transforming your organization. And you're thinking how? We brought the innovation for you. A dynamic, devoted, talented team is working day and night to bring the digitization, mobilization, and augmentation, disintermediation, automation to help your organization to remain in a competitive position and make it a better place to work and lead the future. Daffodil Smart Solution, your commitment for a transformative future.
Welcome back. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Hasan Ripon, Executive Director, to deliver the keynote presentation. Thank you.
Hello world. Today I'm very excited to be here. It's been a very busy year for the Daffodil family since last year. We've been focused ever more on core mission, organizing the world of three service industries and developing systems, and we are doing it for the future. We approached it by applying systems, technologies, and technical insights to solve problems and skills. We came to a conclusion to address the system to manage the people and the world of services, not the people to address the system, because system will track the people, ensure best services and organizations growth, and identify the best people who are running it. Today, we have three smart solutions to help you to beat the demand of the most challenging time. We brought Smart Edu for education sectors,
Smart Hospital for healthcare sector,
and Smart Business 24 for business organizations. All together, we call it Daffodil Smart Solution. So I'm here to present you the 11 best unique features of our solutions, which will ensure your organizational competitiveness today and in the days ahead. This is Hasan Ripon from Daffodil family. Let me have the honor to check what is in Daffodil Smart Solutions. We believe in growing and sustaining together. So let's automate your activities powered by our smart solutions. First, I would like to show you our analytical dashboard. The operation of organizations in the new normal situation is changing day by day based on the context in which it is operated. So in this challenging time, how would your business change if you don't get regular data analytics on its different department? Business without data is like a boat without proper direction. For the lack of data, analytics, and organized effort, a business or any institution's existence can even be at risk. So, tracking and monitoring data of its different departments like knowledge, team, resources, management, and others gives a deep insight into the organization's operations, which allows it to make extremely powerful and confident decisions. So, how about if you find a dashboard to track and monitor the essential data from a single place? Our analytical dashboard will do that. The second most unique feature is business intelligence dashboard for entire business. As a leader, sometimes you might need to generate reports. Reporting on a particular issue always requires extra effort, time, and careful thinking because your organization's ongoing and future strategies depends on the report. Therefore, we brought Business Intelligent View Editor. BI Editor is a tool integrated in our smart solution that will allow users to define and execute their own reports, combining data from existing sources without coding. It has been designed to be used by users with little or no knowledge of technical architecture. Users visually link business objects and select the fields to visualize. The BI Dashboard Editor offers users different types of representations, include tree, graph, and pivot views. It simplifies visualizations and analysis of complex data through which we can track important information, including KPI, trained metrics. Third most unique features, artificial intelligent chatbot. The virtual communication tools have always been proved invaluable. In this most challenging time, every business and organizations always wants to remain close to each other or connected to their team. No matter what time of day people visit your site with questions, and no matter how busy you are, chatbot can take care of those basic question answers for you. Chatbot are a great way to build your marketing list. If your customers sign in to your chat with their Facebook profile, you can receive their public profile data. You can also request an email address and phone number to build your marketing list like this. With the help of our chatbot, customers can find what they are looking for while they chat. Without having to check around the site on their own, chatbots can help by sending a reminder about their previous interest or an invitation to ask questions or to send an offer on any of the product services. Most importantly, it can help to reduce huge human resources cost and rely on chatbots that are available 24/7 to do a lot of this work automatically. Fourth unique features, smart CRM for marketing and sales. The benefits of using CRM software are at all a secret in today's world. You can see that. It simply helps you to stay close to your customer, connect with the new customers, stay updated with customers, be with customers, and track the relationship histories with the customer. You just need to start the relationship by adding the records in the CRM. Also, you can easily prioritize activities, analyze business, process, scopes, opportunities, track status, generate leads, analyze why any business scopes have been lost or succeeded. Assign personnel, even it helps you to regain any customer. Artificial agent for impartial forecasting. This is our fifth unique features. Okay, let me tell you. As a business leader, you realize how important forecasting is to fit in the business world. Forecasting is valuable to you because it gives the ability to make business decisions and develop data-driven strategies. So we made this part easy for you. we introduced artificial intelligent agent, which will help you to provide accurate and impartial forecast by identifying patterns which may be unnoticed. Regardless of the industry or what KPI is being forecasted, AI-based business forecasting will give early adopters a big advantage over the business. You will be able to take financial and operational decisions based on current market conditions and predictions for the future. Our sixth unique features, smart office through smart board. What else could be the demand of a CEO other than a smart board which unlocks numerous ways to make the workplace more efficient and effective? Let's see how our smart dashboard can help you here. Our smart board can help you to gain insights into what employees need to have a great day at workplace and the way they actually use the office. Helps the CEO and leaders to make data-driven decisions to realize growth and take their business to the next level. Ensures easy and effective business services monitoring, make instant communication with the human resources, anytime, at any moment, on-demand online meeting rooms to discuss any urgent or regular issues. Our seventh unique features, dynamic self-paced website builder. One of the most important parts of this solution is a self-paced website builder. Even if you don't have any knowledge of website development or technical skills, you can easily develop a website like a professional with all the required tools a professional web developer usually adds. So let's not miss the opportunity to develop here. Our eighth unique features, online smart communication, from which you can conduct online class, meeting, video conferencing with your stakeholders. Let me tell you in details. In time of crisis or in regular days, communication is key. We brought smart communication tools that have been tested, updated, and regularly upgraded, getting user feedbacks. The meeting room and video conferencing solution have the features which enable a user to present, share, and track any documents or participants during the meeting time, and keeping everyone informed of your actions are crucial. Smart tracking. This is our ninth unique features, from where you can track your field force, fleet, assets, etc. So as a CEO of the organization, you have the focus to ensure proper utilization of the resources and the best allocation of those, and for an effective plan, track the field force performance, fleet positions, asset whereabouts. It will ensure 100% utilization of your resources to meet your organization's revenue goal. The 10th unique features, NLP-based search engine. It means natural language process. Almost all of us have the experience to search any particular information or tools or segment in the search engine. Sometimes we really find it difficult to get the desired information or tools from the location or website. So considering the fact, we incorporated natural language processes in the systems. This is a very special kind of tools which has become a powerhouse in the realm of on-site search. If you really intend on improving the business by advancing the site search capabilities, then we have the solution here. You can get the following benefits from this feature. Better search result to improve customer experience. Search processing, decipher what your customer really mean. More data mine means more data for growth. Eliminate ineffective results, and contextual understanding delivers answers. The last but not the least, the 11th unique features, universal connector. We have a universal connector, which is a powerful framework to develop any kind of bi-directional connector between our smart solution and any other software or service. This add-on has a modular and generic code with the ability to be extended with additional modules for new features or customizations. This is all about our 11 unique features of Daffodil Smart Solution. I hope you have understood that what we are actually offering you from Daffodil Smart Solutions. So let's move on to our next segment where the high officials are waiting for you to answer all of your questions. Hope you have understood that Daffodil Smart Solution is here to create smart people for smart organization. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to introduce our today's distinguished guest for our launching ceremony of Daffodil Smart Solution. Today we have with us Mr. Mohammad Nuruzzaman, the Honorable CEO of Daffodil Family. We have with us Mr. Muhammad Alauddin, CTO of Daffodil Software Limited. We have with us Mr. Jafar Ahmed Patwary, General Manager, Daffodil Computers Limited, and Mr. Reaz Ahmed, Head of Marketing, Daffodil Software Limited. So now it's my honor to invite the Honorable CEO of Daffodil Family, Mr. Mohammad Nuruzzaman, to facilitate the question and answer sessions. Sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. K. Hasan Ripon, for your nice keynote speech. I believe this keynote speech will help a lot to the audience, those who are observing online, as well as to the audience and to the journalists. Being the CEO of Daffodil Family with 54 member organizations, it was a quite challenge for me to monitor, to run the operation, and to continue Daffodil Family organizations during the most disruptive time of the human history, which is called COVID-19. By this time, it was supposed to be very busy and time-consuming to run the organization using the old system. But by the grace of Almighty Allah and the tireless effort of the member of the Daffodil Software Limited, we had been able to develop Daffodil Smart Solutions. And I believe that the experience of Daffodil Family organizations will help all other organizations to run their operations using the solution developed by Daffodil Software Limited. Let me come to the question and answer session. My team at my office helped me to accumulate the questions, and they have shortlisted few of the most important questions for me. The first questions was, how does it help in communication, that is organizational communication? It's a fantastic question. Communication is one of the key to success of any organization. And definitely, it helps us a lot. I always, with my team, through my smart board, there is a module which is called a smart board, by which I am always in touch with the member of my family. I can talk to my team, I can guide them, I can get essential information, share information. I do not need to make a phone call or I do not need to draft a long message. It is smarter, faster, and easily communicated. In addition to that, the Daffodil Smart solution has a common feature which is called AI-based chatbot. Using this chatbot, we can easily communicate with the customers or the external stakeholders through this chatbot. And the second question is, how do you track the task using the system? So productivity is always very important, and the productivity comes from the engagement of team members and the proper utilization of team members. Using the system, it is very easy and very simple. I can go to see project status, progress. I can set strategies. I can check the person's task updates and follow up, next status, and take necessary actions to reach the vision. I can also check the timesheet and any person and track any particular assignment as well. The timesheet of employees helps me to get an important summary and how many tasks he completed, how many hours he worked, how was his performance last month, and how far he progressed in this month, and so on. And the third most important question is it possible to see any department's success and failure analytics? Yes, of course. For example, if I want to get the summary report of counseling section, if it is smart edu, how many queries we have for a day, how many leads have been created, how many leads have been converted to success, students got admitted, and how many students communicated, what is the failure rate, and why it has been failure, who deal with that particular case, what steps has been taken to convert the lead into win. All these are possible through this system. It is so relaxing and exciting for me as well. The fourth most important question is very interesting. How does the system ensure proper utilization of resources? You know that the proper utilization of resources is the key to success for any organization. Being the CEO, I always have to oversee resource allocation, resource utilization, and it's a big responsibility for any organization. Through these systems, I can check and follow up every resource utilization, allocated resource summary, and can take proper measures, which is very important to track the unnecessary resource allocation and minimize the cost as well. The fifth most important question is it possible to get sales analytics and know the daily admission? Yes, and that helps me to set the strategy. I can easily see daily admission and sales. I can oversee even sales report, target, revenue achieved, analyze the success and failures of present initiatives. This helps to set the next projection plan timely and effectively. Also, if I want to get the revenue status of any concern, I can check it from the system. If whether the salary has been disbursed or not timely, everything is possible to see and take necessary steps utilizing or using this system. The last but not least, the most important part, what is the best part of this software? Any organization's success and failure depends on the human resource and teamwork. The proper HR assessment is a big challenge to define it. Using this solution, we can check the task load of every member, identify the best performers, and give them a reward as well. This solution made this difficult task very easy for me. Dropout is a major problem for educational institutes. Even the dropout of or discontinuation of any customer for commercial organization is also a most important part of any organization's development. But utilizing this system, whether it is Smart Edu or Smart Business 24, it is easily possible to identify the dropout students as well as the discontinuing customers. And these solutions are most appropriate for any business organizations to check the dropouts, reasons of the dropouts, and the remedy, to take the remedy of those dropouts and the bring back those students, bring back those customers. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, our Honorable CEO, Mr. Mohammad Nuruzzaman. It was really wonderfully covered, all the questions that collected during my keynote presentation. But I have few more questions comes from our audiences. Like one question that I can see is saying that is your solution have developed by adopting the latest market trends? So probably this question is for our CTO, Mr. Mohammad Alauddin, and you are the man to answer this question. So you can take that microphone. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ripon, to give me the scope to answer the question. It's a nice question. Yes, our solution platforms stands considering the present and future market demand. We can point it out from multiple perspectives. If we consider organization point of view, we believe every organization has the right to get robust quality of applications, and to ensure that we provided software as a service. We introduce Stadio to ensure the zero coding, to extend the application features according to the demand of the organizations without having the vast knowledge of coding, rather need to have the domain knowledge of the requirements. We introduce graphical web page builder editor to get the experience to build any web page according to the demand of the organization without having the coding knowledge. If we consider the scalability point of view, we deployed our all solutions based on the microservice level software architecture to ensure the software features expandability at any level. We incorporate emerging all latest technologies with our solution, such as deep learning, to ensure to facilitate the organizations for intelligence and predictive analyzing, for effective decision making. We incorporate IoT, blockchain, augmented reality, and NLP, and so many latest technologies with our solution. If we consider security point of view, we introduce encryption method considering the public and private key authentication. We introduce multi-factor authentication. We introduce OTP. We introduce CSRF token to protect the hijacking of the session. We introduce SSL certificate to ensure the secure transaction. If we consider the integration point of view, we introduce universe connector to ensure any third-party application with our solution to connect any devices such as medical devices, security devices, IoT devices with our solution. So in conclusion, we can say that our solution is ready to meet any demand of present and future of the market. We welcome every organization to get experience with our solution. Thank you, Mr. Ripon.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I can proudly say, after your speech, I can proudly say probably this is the only 360-degree virtual office solution of Daffodil Smart Solution, considering three major solutions: Smart Edu, Smart Hospital, and Smart Business 24. And the reason I'm saying this, because another question that is linked up with this, one of my brother, he's asking like how to get this solution for their organization, definitely. So I think the head of marketing, Mr. Reaz Ahmed, may answer this question. Mr. Reaz Ahmed.
Thank you, Ripon Bhai. Respected journalists, clients, well-wishers, and viewers, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. I'd like to answer these questions. Basically, we offer our solution into two models: SaaS, that is software as a service, and license-based, that is customized solutions. So anyone who wants our solution may visit our website www.smart.daffodil.family. Then he or she click on the desired product or solution. Suppose anyone may want an education management system or LMS, then he or she click on Smart Edu, that is linked with www.edu.daffodil.family. Then he or she will find our SaaS packages for school, college, universities. And same for corporate business and hospital management system also. For SaaS, I would like to inform there will be no need of hardware and server infrastructure or high-skilled IT personnel, and it is mobile compatible also. If anyone wants customized solutions, he or she can visit client zone of our website menu and will find contact page and will find a form where he or she can write the requirements and submit. Then our technical team will analyze the requirements and our marketing team will send the customized offer. We believe in customer solutions and we want to contribute by helping to grow digital Bangladesh. So thank you, Ripon Bhai, and our honorable journalists and viewers. We want all of your support.
Thank you. Thank you. Surely indeed, we want all of your support. And you can understand, like, it's like ordering a pizza. So select your budget and order the solution, and our marketing is there. And also I have, it's my pleasure to inform you that recently Daffodil Smart Solution, especially our Smart Edu, received BASIS National ICT Award. So congratulations to the entire team of Daffodil Smart Solution. Now, we want to open up this launching ceremony platform, virtual platform for our journalists. So we are here to receive the questions, and I hope our distinguished guest will answer your question. So I want to request our technical team. Do we have any question from our journalist brothers and sisters? Yes, I can see a few journalist brothers and sisters are there. Okay, so I want to take one question, and then I want to play a short AV where you can see how Daffodil Smart Solution received the ICT award. Can we have one question from, I can see a few journalist brothers and sisters are there. Yes. Please unmute your microphone so that we can hear your voice. Yeah, I can see Khalilur Rahman. Yeah, Khalilur Rahman bhai, what's your question for our today's guest? Yes, Mr. Khalilur Rahman, can you please unmute your microphone? It's a virtual world. COVID gave us a very different experience, and probably, you know, it happens sometimes since it's a virtual press conference and we are habituated with press conference or launching ceremony in the physical presence. But blessings of Almighty. Yes, we can see Mr. Khalilur Rahman. You can ask question in Bangla or English, no problem. Or you can send us text. Our technical team, you should check this things. We can't hear his voice. Maybe we will get a text question. Yeah, we can see that Mr. Khalilur Rahman is saying something. But anyway, yes, now the voice is coming, I guess. Yes. Yeah, Khalil bhai, please go on. Yes, I think in your end there'll be a sound system problem, but I can request our technical team. Can you please play that short AV, and meanwhile you can check that things to solve. Yes, dear audience, please, I'm welcoming you all to see the award. Short AV of the award that Daffodil Smart Solution received last month. Yes, please enjoy. you so very much. So can we go to that screen again so that we can connect with our dearest journalist brothers and sisters? Yeah, we can see another brother is waiting to ask question. Please, brother, go on. What's your question? আপনি বাংলায়ও বলতে পারেন। দারুণ। Yes, I think I can see few comments from social media. I can read it out. I think within this time our journalist may ask this question. So Mr. Imran Hossein Naim, he said, this system made our work and reporting easy and smooth. Thank you so very much. Firoz Ahmed said, excellent innovation. Masudur Rahman mentioned the entire Daffodil Smart Solution team and said excellent. Mohammad Shibli Sadiq, Principal Daffodil International College, he said wonderful innovative idea developed by and launched by Daffodil family. Murad Ibn Mizan, excellent innovation, and so many comments. Thank you very much for your comments and wishes for Daffodil Smart Solution. Sir, one of our journalists, he sent me a text and he said like how this solution can solve today's unprediction or unpredictive, especially the CEO's face. Can you answer this question about that?
Probably this is the problem of internet, maybe. I don't know exactly.
Right.
So it depends on the country's infrastructure. Definitely, the infrastructure is good, but sometimes it happens for the ISPs and other things. So I think the software, I don't think so to solve this problem. It's an internet problem, and I think the organizers as well as those who are attending the program.
No. The question was how the CEOs can solve their regular problems if they use this smart solution, their organization problem.
Now that has already been addressed.
Yes.
Definitely. As I said, the most beautiful part is the smart board and the smart dashboard. These two things is enough for me to identify the problems, track every task, every projects, and every member of the organizations. So that is the beauty. From one board, I can track each and every task of the organizations to run it very smoothly. I can do it. Another feature is I can do it from anywhere and anytime. That's it. That's the beauty of these systems.
Thank you so very much. And one of the member of Daffodil family, I can also say that last 17 months, 7,000 people are using this solution. So huge data. So those who are thinking about the server or the strength of solution, it has been proved that Daffodil Smart Solutions can bring you many opportunities, even in the pandemic like this corona. So with this note, I want to thank all the journalist brothers and sisters who are patiently attended our launching ceremony. And also on behalf of Daffodil family, we want to congratulate the entire team of Daffodil Smart Solutions, especially our honorable CEO, our head of marketing, and our CTO. Now it's my honor to invite our general manager of Daffodil Computers Limited, Mr. Jafar Ahmed Patwary, for word of thanks.
Thank you, Ripon bhai. Assalamu alaikum. I, on behalf of Daffodil Computers Limited and the organizing committee of Daffodil Smart Software Solutions, would like to express my sincere and a very hearty vote of thanks to all respected audience and our dearest journalist for your kind presence and watching today launching ceremony through our virtual gate and social media from different corners of country and globally also. It's truly an honor for us to have you in the occasion. We are grateful to you who have shared your valuable findings and opinions today. We need your support to extend our solutions to the doorsteps in every organizations. I would like to let my sincere thanks to our honorable CEO, Daffodil family, for his kind presence and sharing his experience on his daily job life through his customized dashboard of Daffodil Smart Solutions. My sincere thanks to our CTO and his development team for designing and developing the innovative solutions. My sincere thanks to Mr. K.M. Hasan Ripon Bhai for his excellent coverage on the key points of Daffodil Smart Solutions through his keynote presentation. I would like to thanks to our head of marketing, Daffodil Software Limited, Mr. Reaz, and his team for work hard, and of course, our virtual gate team, Media Lab team, Campus TV team, and to you who are working hard to hold the ceremony successfully today. Finally, Alhamdulillah, with blessing and grace of Almighty Allah, we are able to complete the ceremony successfully. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. And with this note, we want to call it a day. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.